In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert value to percentage in a bar graph using Tableau. Before we dive into specifics, it's important to have a clear understanding of why converting values to percentages can be incredibly useful. It not only makes data more insightful and easier to compare at a glance, but also provides a cleaner representation of proportional differences across categories. Let's get started by launching the Tableau app. You'll want to open your Tableau application if it's not already running. Once you have it open, navigate to the worksheet where you want to make your conversion. Next, we need to set up the basic structure for our bar graph. Start by dragging total revenue to the column shelf. This sets the basis of your graph since the column shelf defines the horizontal axis, laying the groundwork for our bar chart. Now, for the rows shelf, you'll need to drag product name into it. What this does is set the vertical axis, allowing each product's revenue to show up on its own bar. At this point, you should see a basic bar graph displaying total revenue for each product. However, to perform our conversion to percentages, we need to take an additional step. Let's go ahead and drag total revenue once more to the column shelf. This might seem redundant, but it actually creates a duplicate measure that we can manipulate independently. With the duplicated total revenue in place, click on the drop-down menu next to it. You'll want to select Quick Table Calculation from this menu. This feature in Tableau simplifies the process of applying basic formulas to your data. From there, choose percent of total. By doing this, each bar in your graph now represents a percentage of the total revenue, not simply the raw revenue numbers themselves. If you're interested in a more custom approach, you can achieve the same outcome using a calculated field. Start by opening a calculated field and name it %LOD. Naming is essential for keeping your calculations organized, especially in more complex dashboards. Once the calculated field window is open, type in your query and click OK to create the calculated field. The logic behind this is to directly input the equation that defines your percentage transformation, allowing for greater flexibility and understanding of the process. After you've done this, drag your newly created calculated field to the column shelf. Your bar graph should now reflect these calculated percentages. And there you go. You've successfully transformed your bar graph from displaying raw revenue values to showing percentages using Tableau. Whether you're utilizing the Quick Table Calculation feature or a custom calculated field, understanding these processes will enhance how you visualize data going forward. Thanks for joining, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to explore other features of